Alright guys, so as you may already know by the title of this video here, today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your iPhone. This is specifically an iPhone 10. How to reset it to factory settings so that you can sell it or trade it in or whatever it is that you want to do with it, so that you have peace of mind that you know that all your content will be deleted. So first thing you'll do is, before I get to that, I'll have a list of steps down in the description so that you can follow those. Also, whatever tools you might need. So the first method I'm going to show you is how to do it directly on your phone. Directly on your phone, all you'll do is go to settings, then you'll go to general, and then all the way down to the bottom where it says reset. Make sure you select erase all content and settings. No, so just go ahead and erase now. Put your password in there. Then it'll give you one last confirmation. Erase iPhone. Are you sure you want to continue? It's telling you that everything's gonna be deleted. Oh, well, you gotta make sure that you're connected to internet, I guess. Let's see here. Oh, sorry. Before you do that, make sure that your Find My iCloud is turned off. Jeez Louise. Okay. So, alright. So we'll go here. Go to your iCloud or sign out. Well, you gotta be online to sign out. Alright, so go to sign out and type in your password. So boom, keep copy of that. Sign out, sign out. All right, now it should work. Let's go and sign out of your Wi-Fi. So we'll go back to settings, general, reset, erase all content and settings, erase iPhone, boom. So then this is what will happen here. Just wait for it to do its thing, and then it will bring you back to the first setup of your iPhone, like when you opened it and got it out the box. Okay, so now that it's done, you'll see that everything has been deleted. Pretty much it's like a brand new phone now. So it will, ask you to go through the whole process of setting it up, just like when you got it out of the box. So the next method I'll show is gonna be using the computer, and then we'll switch over to my monitor for that. Alright guys, so now we're here on the computer. We opened up iTunes. So first you'll plug in your phone. Let's see here. Once you plug in your phone, you'll get a little symbol up here. You'll click on that and it brings up your phone, right? So then once you have this up, all you'll do is click here to restore the phone. Make sure you have your Find My iPhone turned off first, and then you'll be able to restore it. So once you have that turned off, you'll go ahead, go back to here, click restore iPhone, and it will go ahead and erase everything off your iPhone and have it back to factory settings. Thank you.